What beat is that? That's a good beat. Boom, pak, pak, boom. Boom, pak, pak, boom. Pak, pak, boom. Good job. Good boy. Wow, that's a good one. Come here. Come here. Just leave it there. Just leave it there. Come here. That's Joby. Wow, we can't believe he's a young drummer. He likes to tak, boom, boom, tak, tak, boom, tak, tak, boom. Is that a rapper music? Huh? Rapper music? Later we're gonna play. Okay. What else? You know any more? Show me other more. What else?
There's one hard part.
Okay, show me the hard part.
Kick, snare, kick, snare, kick, snare.
Okay, snare. Did a good job. One more.
Kindergarten. First day of kindergarten or something. Hold on, I'm trying to
Honey, are you going to second grade or first grade?
First grade.
You're first grade now.
No, I'm still in summer grade.
Summer grade, but
You like this?
is it
That's a good one, huh? What do you call that? What do you call that beat? So you hit it on the middle and you hit it on the top? Who teach you how to do that? You
I
that?
just
Did you do it yourself? That's smart. Because when you hit it on the middle, it sounds big. When you hit it on the top, it hit like a little bit softer. But that's the way to play too. And then you learn all the tricks, and then you'll be a good drummer. Lola will teach you. Right. Hi, Joby.